Hello everyone. Welcome back to Junk to Beauty by Abha Arora. I am Abha, and today what we are going to do? Today we are going to learn mobile holder, and that too very easy method. And I told you to be prepared with some materials, and that is this paper mache clay. And if you haven't seen my page or you don't know how to make this paper mache clay, you can go to my YouTube channel or you can go to my Facebook page, Jump to Beauty. And there I have, I have given all the directions how to make this clay. So let's get started. So, okay. So what we need a rolling pin, a flat base and a rolling pin. You can see that I have covered it with some cling film. मैंने इसको क्लिंग फिल्म से पेस्ट मैंने इसको क्लिंग फिल्म से कवर किया है एंड रोलिंग पिन को भी मैंने इसको कवर किया है सो दैट क्ले बहुत अच्छे से स्लाइड कर सके, इसके ऊपर स्मूथली मैं इसको रोल कर सकूं. और इफ यू डोंट हैव दिस बेस देन यू कैन यूज सनमाइका. This is a piece of wood on which there is sun mica pasted. So this is also very smooth and I can work with it. Okay, so let me, okay, this way. So now I'll take I need a big ball of clay like this. And this is very smooth clay, very smooth. You can check it on my page. Okay, and I'll use my base here. I don't want to spoil this. Thoda sa we will take more. Okay, like this. And roll it like this. Now with the help of rolling pin, I'll flatten it. And a bigger place. Okay. See, I'm very gentle with the flattening of this clay, otherwise it will crack. So I'm pressing, flattening it this way. Okay. So we have got approximately, this is approximately 24 centimeters. So I'll cut it like this. So I need a rectangle. For that, I'm using scale. Okay, I'll remove it. I'll remove it like this, and from the both other sides also. And this way I have got a rectangle with me. Okay, this way. This is my paper mache clay, I'm telling you again and again. And for this paper mache clay, I have used egg carton, chalk powder, edible glue, and some oil. And I have some clear stamps with me. I'll show you. I have this clear stamp with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to emboss it on my clay like this, just to give it a impression. I have the script one. If you don't have, then you can use any other, you can use lace for the impression. So this way I have got a rectangle, and then I need Fevicol. What I'll do, I'll apply some Fevicol on one side, okay, like this way, and I'll roll it. I'll roll it like this way, and it is done. For this, I have used aluminum foil. I'll roll it like this, and I'll put it like this. It's quite thick. What I do, and like this. Now this is on you, how long you want the back of the mobile holder. And here my mobile holder is ready. I leave it overnight for drying. Okay, you can see here. I take a little bit of water here and smoothen the edges this way. Okay, and just give it a nice shape. We can smoothen the edges after drying also. And if you want to give some impressions here also, you can dab it, but impression is not there. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, you can see here we will keep the mobile, and with the help of any object, or let's say I'll keep it aside for drying. I can give some, see this is also a mobile holder I have done using tissue paper holder, tissue paper roll. So this is a toilet roll wala thing. So I'll keep it like this. Look here. Let me roll it again. It's very flat. Okay, this way. And I'll keep it like this. Okay. And here I can put my phone. So this is the area where will be keeping my phone. That's it. Okay. On drying, it will look something like this. Okay. And what I have done here, after drying, I have applied a coat of varnish. उससे क्या होता है? It is very hard now. You can hear it. It is very hard now. And now we can color it. So I have these two colors with me. These are metallic colors. So I want to use these two. So let's start with the purple. So we will do mixing. We will do some mixing also. Okay, this way. Randomly you can color it. Just ensure that you cover all the nooks and crannies. This looks very nice. Pink and purple combination looks very beautiful. So if you want to gift it or you want to make for yourself, and if you are a girl, so this is a very nice personalized color, and most of the girls like this color combination. So you can use pink and purple. I hope it is visible. And it is almost done. I can cover the back part later when the front part is dry. I can color it anytime. So this way my phone holder, my mobile phone holder is going to look. And I can apply one coat of varnish after it is all done. So this is very easy. You can make any kind of mobile holder using paper mache clay. And you can find me on my YouTube channel as well. That is Junk to Beauty by Abha Arora. And do let me know how you found it. And these make very nice gifts. And you can make these simple mobile holders for your friends and family. So thank you. Bye bye. Take care.